Energy, Shakti. 4 Navratris occur annually, with Chaitra and Shardaya Navratri being widely celebrated. In contrast, the Navratris in Magh and Ashad are known as Gupt Navratri, a more subdued and mystical observance. Gupt Navratri is believed to fulfill all desires when the 9 forms of Goddess Durga are worshipped. This period is crucial for achieving spiritual growth and empowerment. During Gupt Navratri, the 10 forms of Mahavidya are revered with traditional rituals, accompanied by Tantric Puja, which holds great significance alongside Goddess Durga's worship. This year, Magh Gupt Navratri will begin on the 30th of January 2025 and end on the 7th of February 2025. Check out the Shubh Muhurat for Ghat Sthapana, significance and Puja Vidhi below. Magh Gupt Navratri 2025, Ghat Sthapana Shubh Muhurat. The Pratipada Tithi will conclude on the 30th of January at 4:10 p.m. The auspicious time for Ghat Sthapana is between 9:41 am and 10:59 am on the 30th of January. Alternatively, the Abhijit Muhurat for Ghat Sthapana will be from 12:29 pm to 1:14 pm on the same day. Magh Gupt Navratri 2025, Ghat Sthapana significance. Ghat Sthapana is a significant ritual in Magh Gupt Navratri, marking the beginning of the sacred period. It involves the installation of a sacred pot, symbolizing the divine feminine energy, Shakti. This ritual is performed to invoke the blessings of Goddess Durga and to create a conducive environment for spiritual growth. Throughout the 9 days of Magh Gupt Navratri, the installed pot is worshipped and prayers are offered, symbolizing the devotion and surrender of the devotees to the divine feminine energy. Ghat Sthapana rituals. During the 9 days of Gupt Navratri in Magha, devotees follow a series of rituals to worship Goddess Durga. Each morning, after bathing, they cover Goddess Durga's picture or idol with a red cloth or chunri. Alongside, they establish a kalas, metal pot, and plant jowar seeds in an earthen pot, ensuring to water it daily. The kalas is prepared by filling it with holy Ganga water, coins, and rice, and then installing it at an auspicious time. Devotees also keep Amra Pallav and Shrifal alongside the kalas. Throughout the 9 days, they offer fruits and flowers to Goddess Durga and worship her with complete rituals. On Ashtami or Navami, they worship 9 girls, offering them prasad and money. On the final day, devotees worship Goddess Durga, recite her aarti and then immerse the kalas at an auspicious location. This culmination of Gupt Navratri rituals is believed to bring spiritual growth, prosperity and the divine blessings of Goddess Durga. By following these rituals, devotees seek to strengthen their connection with the divine feminine energy and embark on a journey of spiritual enlightenment.